Hey guys, question for you. Do you believe in serving others? Well, in today's video, what we're going to talk about is why you should stop being selfish and serve others. Stay tuned.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
Okay guys, now before we jump into that, if you have never been to this channel, what I love to do is just inspire people mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of each one of these areas on this planet, we would live in world peace and eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, and have health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit. So if you guys believe in that message, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are released. Comment below and let me know your thoughts. And share these out with loved ones and people in your community and tribe who needs to hear these messages. Okay? So let's jump into it. Alrighty, well, reason number one is it's the golden rule. I hope you guys have not forgotten this from when you were in K5, have you? Well, it goes something to the effect of treat others the way you would like to be treated. Treating others right is not only the good thing to do, but it makes you happier and healthier as well. And the reason is because you are setting your vibrational frequencies to a higher positive level, and then that is like a magnet and it's attracting more positive and healthy energies to you. So you just feel more healthy and happy and abundant when you actually treat other people right and the way you would like to be treated. So that's one reason. Alrighty guys, well the second reason is it increases your self-awareness and your self-esteem because it just makes you more confident and happier. Because when you serve others, again, they thank you, they're happy for you, they're grateful for you, they give you eye contact and praise, and that just makes you feel really good. So again, you want to serve others because not just, for a confidence boost, for something personal or selfish. Again, when you help other people, it just naturally makes you feel good and genuine, and you want to really keep doing that because when you see the smile on someone else's face and they really thank you and they're really appreciative of your help, again, you just can't buy that with money. Now guys, have you ever had someone ask you to help them move? I am guilty of this one myself. It's like you don't want to do it. You're like, I hate moving. I hate lifting boxes and couches and refrigerators and washers and dryers and all that stuff. But if you muster up the strength and courage to do it, it typically isn't as bad as you initially were thinking. And it makes you feel good. And also the person is very appreciative of you as well because you decided to help them out when they were in need, and they will remember that as well. So if you ever need help or something, they may come to your aid or assistance, again, just because they remember how grateful they felt when you helped them out. But again, I don't like moving. It sucks, but I help people anyway because it's the right thing to do. Maybe I should start getting paid to be helping people move. I don't know. What do you guys think? Also, serving other people and living by the golden rule can help alter your way of thinking about life, generally speaking. It's kind of like being cultured and actually visiting other places or countries, because when you do that, you actually have more of a perspective on life, especially coming in from America, living in a first world country. We tend to take things for granted that's given to us for free, like our freedom and our minds. And we don't really appreciate it until we actually go see how other people are living, and that actually will help you appreciate it more. And also you would just feel great because you actually helped someone else out. Again, they were in need, and again, it just makes you feel like you're visiting not necessarily someone in a third world country. Not saying that the person you're helping is poor or struggling or whatever, but they may be. But again, it just makes you feel good because you are just taking time out of your day when you did not want to, but you push through that resistance. Just like creating any type of success in life, it takes pushing through that resistance where you don't want to do something and you do it anyway. And then at the end of the day, you actually feel good because you did accomplish that goal or that task. Also, another reason why you want to live by the golden rule and help people is because it helps you not be so negative and actually appreciate things more and be more positive. Because you may have a negative thought come into your mind, and then it's like, well, look what happened to me or that person in XYZ or whatever, and then actually stops that negative thoughts from producing more negative energy and actually suppresses it and puts it down, and you have more abundance and happy energy actually come and fill you, and then you just feel really good because it helps, again, you to stop thinking about things that are negative and think about things that are more positive. And that's why, because you help people out, it helps you feel good, and you help other people, and they feel good, and everyone feels good. Also guys, what comes around goes around. You never know who you will meet, and then that person may help you out, days, weeks, months, even years down the line. Again, you were not doing it because of that reason, but again, you help someone genuinely speaking, and then that person may come around help you out years later. What comes around goes around. Remember, Newton's third law, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Alrighty guys, well that's all that I have for you for this video. So let me know what you guys think. Alrighty, well you guys know what time it is. It's my favorite part, which is the quote of the day. And this quote comes from the man in legend himself, Robert Kiyosaki. And he goes, it's not about how much more money you can make. The more people I serve, the more effective I become. Again, think about that guys. It's not about how much more money you can make. The more people you serve, the more effective you become. So what do you guys think about that? And let me know your interpretation of that in the comments below. Well, again, that's all that I have for you. So again, if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Share this with people in your community and tribe who needs to hear these messages. And this is Greg with Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day.